Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2022 video tutorial. I'm using the Community Edition. So that's another remake of an old one, again in HD and with audio commentary. That 3.16 Nocke. So let's have some fun with SolidEdge. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. I'll go for the right plane. I go for the right plane. And let's make a sketch there. Okay, I need a circle right here. Diameter should be 40. I need another one, but that radius should be 16. Should be somewhere over here. I need another one, and the radius should be 65. Try not to snap on something. And another one, and that radius should be 70. Okay, like that. Now let's add some dimensions. And from this point here to that point here. Okay, so try to select. This didn't work. After all, it's SolidEdge. So I need a smart dimension from this center point here to that one here. And that would be 72. And those two midpoints should be aligned vertical. This one and that one. Seems it worked. Now I need some tangent conditions. From this one to that one. From this one to that one. Hopefully it works. Yes. From this one to that one, and from this one to that one. Great. Now let's trim. And close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. I need another sketch on the same plane. That would be the right plane here. And that's just a circle, positioned here right at the origin. Diameter would be 40. Let's give it a dimension like that and close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. Okay, let's go for the extrudes. I need an extrude with this one here, except it should be symmetric, yes, and the distance should be 10 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's go for a thin wall. It should go to the inside, yes, 10 millimeters, yes. The open faces should be this one and that one. Accept. Let's go for a preview. Looks good. Finish. Okay. Now another extrude. Now with this one. Confirm. It should be symmetric. It should be 20 millimeters. Finish, cancel this out. let's round those edges with 8 millimeters here and over there. Accept, preview, finish, cancel this out. And now another one with that same sketch as before. That would be sketch 1. Extrude sketch 1. Accept, again symmetric. Now it's 5 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. Okay, let's hide those two sketches. And now let's make a hole. Okay, let's go for that hole. So where is it? There you go, hole. First go to options. It should be a simple one. The size should be 20, but not isometric, but millimeter. So this should be 20. It should go through all, yes. Through next or through all, that's okay. No chamfer, that's okay. So let's confirm this. Select that surface, put it right there, close that sketch, finish, cancel this out. And the first version is done. So the second version I want to do with surfaces. Therefore, I want to reuse those two sketches and I want to delete those features here. So just select them and delete them. Like that. Okay. Bring back those two sketches. Let's go to surfacing. And I want to have an extrude. So go for extruded. This one should be an extruded surface. It should be symmetric, yes, and the distance should be 20. Finish. Select this one. Go again for a symmetric one. Now this time the distance should be 10. Finish. Cancel this out. And I need a bounded surface, should be possible with this one. So go for bounded, select the sketch and accept, finish, cancel this out. Let's go for thicken. Or first I have to trim, of course. So go for trim. I want to trim this surface here. That's the target with this one here. Accept. And I want to remove this side here. Accept. Finish. Cancel this out. And now I can do the thicken. Go back to home. It's somewhere over here. There you go. Thicken. With this surface, and seems I can't do it in both directions. Obviously I can do it in this direction, that direction, but there is no symmetry. Therefore I want to go for 2.5. And finish. Then I want to select this body here, and that offset should go to the inside and it should be 10 millimeters. Like that. Finish, and this one here again should go to the inside, again 10 millimeters. Finish, cancel this out. Now in order to make those fillets, I want to suppress that one here. Do we have suppress? There you go. No, that's the wrong one, sorry. Hard to see. Unsuppressed, so I want to suppress this one here. Yeah. Let's make those rounds. That would be 8 millimeters, yes. Here and over there. Accept, preview, finish, cancel this out. Now let's unsuppress that thicken. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope it was helpful. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.